Your child does not need to grow up thinking that violence is just a part of life. As parents, we may not be able to control everything our children will encounter, but we can be intentional about what we expose them to and how we teach them to respond. Una, be intentional about what they watch and play online. Hindi dahil ginagawa ito ng ibang bata, ibig sabihin kailangan na rin itong gawin ng anak natin. Pangalawa, teach them how to handle big emotions. Okay lang magalit, pero kailangan natin turuan ang mga anak natin na hindi kailangang manakit para maipakita ang galit. Pangatlo, give them a home where they feel safe, loved, and secure. Kapag alam ng bata na mahalaga siya at ligtas siya sa loob ng tahanan, mas matututuhan niyang harapin ang problema nang hindi gumagamit ng dahas. Pang-apat, teach them how to resolve conflict without violence. At hindi sapat na sabihin lang natin ito sa kanila. Kailangan din nila itong makita sa paraan ng pakikitungo natin sa ibang tao. Pang-lima, be present. Hindi natin maaaring ipasa sa teachers, friends, social media, o sa mundong ginagalaw nila ang buong responsibilidad ng pagpapalaki sa ating mga anak. Because being a parent isn't just about having a child. It's about intentionally raising a person who knows they are loved, knows their worth, and knows that violence is never the answer. This is a friendly reminder from Teacher Julia and friends. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel, English and Filipino for Kids.